for the big dome, this control compass is just 1 foot above the floor level. We use a chair caster with the wheel removed and a chain with rings to make the compass. The design of compasses has many variations, and improving on the design still continues. Here in full size you can see the relationship of the control compass to the center compass on the niche and on the main dome. As we lay each row of superadobe, we must check the curve with the compass to make an accurate dome shape. We check both before and after tamping, since tamping makes the bag expand by about 1 inch. The strength of the superadobe depends on the tamping, so good tamping is one which presses the earth material tightly into the sides of the bags, so that there are almost no wrinkles on the outside edge of the bags. In this dome, we put several pipe windows and vents for ventilation and the chimney. We can simply continue the bag over the pipe and later remove the pipe itself to create a simple hole. This one is for the chimney. The small pipes will be used in making countertops and seats. They can be held onto the bags with wire or tape until the next bag is laid on top. They can also be used for attaching shelves and solar panels at any level. Later, short pieces of steel bars will be grouted into these pipes to support a slab of stabilized earth for the seats and countertops and shelves. To build each arch for the entries to the 4 small domes, we need to make a temporary form with the available materials, wood or steel, or even more sandbags. The form is deep enough to allow the arch to follow the curve of the dome, and we place it at the right level and the right height and level it. Here, another useful technique for filling the bag is to pack it tightly by hand. Already we have the foundations and compasses, the walls are going up with large and small pipe holes, and some arches are started. At this point we can install the rough frames of the doors, which are made of 2-inch angles of steel or T-section. We want a tight fit to support the frame, so the corners of the bags are broken out by chipping or jackhammering, while being careful not to damage the main wall material. The sill is placed at the level of the finished floor, and the door frame is leveled and temporarily secured in place with wire. The frame is braced open so that when more bags are laid up to it, these will hold it in place permanently, while the frame stays in shape. All the door sills must be at the finished floor slab level. Sometimes we fill some short bags vertically to brace or fill the gaps. To tie the walls together, the bags should overlap with neat joints and barbed wires. To set in the pipe windows, we simply separate the barbed wire and cut out the unwanted earth while it is still wet. We do not cut off the fabric because it can help the earth material inside to dry slowly. We must remember to slope the pipes towards the outside for rainwater drainage. In the same way, we can sculpt the interior.